Good to see you. Good. Good evening, everyone. Here I will share about LibreOffice Extension project. That is LibreOffice Time Changer, or we can call it LOTC, so it's more clear and simple. LOTC, or we can call it LOTIS. Okay. LOTC is extension for LibreOffice that will allow you to change LibreOffice appearance. This is intro and some personas, and I will show you. My name is Rania Amina from Indonesia. In LibreOffice community, I'm a translator and designer in LibreOffice Indonesia. And for this project, I'm the leader and manager of LibreOffice Time Changer project. You can call me. You can contact me if you need. Okay, let me start. What is LibreOffice Time Changer or LTC? I want to ask to you all. Please raise your hand if you care about appearance of application. So we agree that appearance of application is matter, right? Okay, we agree. Because of that, we should highlight that LibreOffice has a best performance, but sometimes, for example, in my country, LibreOffice look like it's too old style, for example, and they will compare to other Office suite application. It's happened to your country? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, never. Yeah. We will go to that moment. Okay. I will explain first. This is, as I said, is an extension for LibreOffice that will allow you to personalize LibreOffice appearance, include splash. When you open the LibreOffice, then will appear an image. Yeah, splash, or in the developer is intro. Yeah, intro image. Then persona. If you use Firefox, you will very familiar with Persona 10, and you can apply the Persona 10 or LibreOffice. And you also can change the icon or the layout menu, so you can make your LibreOffice with your own style. But it's very complicated if you do it manually, so that LibreOffice Indonesian community make extension that will help you to do that easily. You can go to the repository to look what's our progress, and now you can try it. But I shall tell you that this very quickly development, and there are some problem and some issue that we will solve in next time. Is the appearance of LTC main window, and in the last I will show you how to use this extension. This actually goes with Python 3.5, LibreOffice macro to create SDL UI dialog. So we use LibreOffice to create the UI, and we convert from SDL file to .py file with United. Anyone ever know about United? Yes, actually our team also know. Yes, we can convert this to this. Okay, next. How LOTC work? I will explain the basic of the basic theory. First, LOTC will back up the main file, for example, intro, personas, and Then we will create a symlink. So why symlink? Because some file or some image assets is on root directory. So when we want to change it, we will need root password, and it's very annoying if you want to just change one thing to other thing. You need enter the password. It's annoying. So we can make a symlink and set the symlink into configuration directory of LibreOffice in home. Then we can change it easily without the password again. Okay. For complete workflow, you can refer to this documentation. There are some workflow because LibreOffice run in several operating systems, Linux, then Windows, macOS. So we have a different treatment for LOTC. Especially in Linux, we have some method to install, like using JEP or RPM, then Flatpak, Snap. All of them use different directory and different path. So we should make different treatment when we use LOTC extension. Yes, of course you can run LOTC in all operating system, start from Linux, Windows, Mac. Then to make LOTC more simple, we make a bundle of them. We call it the LOTC time. So this file is contain image and configuration about the persona, about the intro, and I will show you. And we also make complete documentation how to make LOTC file or time bundle, and you can read it in docs.libreoffice.id/LibreOffice time changer/LOTC. I have read the complete documentation step by step, how to buy it, how to build, and then how to write a new theme, so like that. Then the question is, why LOTC is important? As you answer in the first, because the priorities matter. For me, for example, yeah, sometimes I wanna have an application that, yes, this application is me. I wanna show to everyone, I use LibreOffice and it's freedom. What? Real freedom? Yes, because I can change everything in LibreOffice, and you can do that in other offices. That's one example. But the first is, it is a promotion strategy. Why? With LOTC, we can go to office, school, and other community. Then we can make LibreOffice like or some rebrand. Yes, LibreOffice. You can use your company logo or your school logo in the LibreOffice. It's very easy, and you can share it to your student. Just because we have LOTC file, so they can share to each other. Then we can combine the LibreOffice spreadly more widely. I will give the example. Yes, this is the thing that we create, LibreOffice Indonesia create. This Sri Kandi thing. Sri Kandi is a woman symbol in Asia, especially in Indonesia. That means a strong and brave woman. So we dedicate this thing for LibreOffice Libre ladies in Indonesia. So we can say to ladies, yeah, you should use LibreOffice. Why? Because it's yours. Ladies can use this thing. And we also create special icon theme for LibreOffice, named also Sri Kandi. Then we also make custom theme for Libre Kids.
Right.
Yeah, you know that I have a little brother. When I wanna try to type in something, they doesn't need complex menu. They only need some of menu in LibreOffice. Then LibreOffice is very able to select it. But which menu that you need on it's too complicated for children. Okay, we can skip it. So here's the plan for LibreOffice Kids. Yeah, we also create simple icon for kids, named Kids Icon Style. And then we also create something for example, anybody know about this? Masked Rider, you know? Yeah, it's very popular in Japan and Indonesia. It's superhero. And then we have a community about this. For example, Ahmad Haris joined a community. We can make, we can share, we can tell, yes, you can use LibreOffice because we have special theme for LibreOffice. Yes, this for the camera duplicate. Where the icon I use default icon for KDE brief, and the icon and the theme we use duplicate theme. For more theme, we have create some theme include Pikachu. Yeah, we also create theme Pikachu. Maybe you can try it and open it in lubu.libreoffice.id/thema. Then, as I said before, this is freedom evidence, so we can tell easily that LibreOffice is freedom. Yeah, this example you can make LibreOffice as your style, with your own style, and I believe that every country, every culture have their unique style, and we can integrate the culture into LibreOffice. I think it's interesting. Then increase people interest. For example, I have a friend, and then I teach him how to make icon theme with LTC. Then I suddenly, whoa, he made something. It's a strange moment when he made a presentation in front of the class. He used intro with his photo. Like this.
Yeah.
In the intro, so when he opened ODP file, double click, in the screen appear his photo. So in the class, is Microsoft? No, it's LibreOffice. Really? You can make it? We can change it because it's very, very, very freedom, and you can use freely. That's okay. The next is, as I said, LibreOffice is still under development. Our team has do the best as we can. Please, if you want to try, just try and give us advice and feedback for best to make LTC better in the future. Yes, the common issues is up in GitHub issue, and this is the team that built LibreOffice. Is the developer, then the icon designer, and she is the creator of Kids icon, and this is the creator of LibreLadies icon, and this is the graphic designer who helped me to create intro and promotional image. And special thanks to Frank, because actually LibreOffice Theme Designer is initiated at 2018 by me, but it's only in Bash script. Yeah, just because in Bash script, it's only run well in Linux, so it can run in Windows or Mac. Then Frank told me, hey, why you not make an extension? Huh? Extension? I don't think about extension. And yes, LTC is my first extension project for LibreOffice. So thank you, Frank, because you encouraged me. Maybe this I know LibreOffice has always been, right? Yeah. Maybe there is useful link that you can follow about LibreOffice Theme Designer. And let's see for creation. Okay, first I will show you the link. Is the repository, then the complete documentation. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's the complete documentation. You can read it already in Indonesian and English. Then this the list of them, as I said to you. As I said, this Pikachu, Pika. Yeah, you can use it if you want. So you can use your own character or your anime character to your LibreOffice, and yeah, let's have fun with LibreOffice. And I will show you. Maybe it's better if I mirror. Right. LibreOffice. Yeah, you can see the splash image was changed. And can you change? You just to add the new thing, you just import the thing, and it will listed here. Or if you want to create new thing, just click here, and LBC will create folder template, and you can add your image and configuration there. To change the thing, you just need to click, for example, click on D, then activate, waiting, okay, the icon change. Let's go. It's too big. Because the resolution is very low. Let's try again. Yeah, it works. Then if we check the menu, for maximum appearance, you can change. You can go to the option. Oh, it's open. Yeah. Then you can choose here. But if you activate the theme here, the intro and icon will not change. But you can change the background application. As you see, the background is to contrast, so you can choose the color that compatible with theme color here. I will make it too small. Yeah. Okay. And for better, I think I want to move it. So, better for me. And for child, kids, I activate the thing. Okay. Then I close and to see. The icon change.
The icon is much better.
And the layout also change. As you see. Okay. I think enough. If you have any question, yeah.
If it's working with the new tablet-based interface.
I don't know, but I think not, because we love default interface. That interface is from, it's to close with other, but we love default theme from LibreOffice because it's cool. You can, for example, in your tab, you can move each panel like this, but in default, we're free to choose which panel position and which the icon that you need to show or not. Yes, maybe like that. Yeah. Just for icon and icon it's work, but for persona I have tried, but it's not working. Yeah, working but not too good for me.
Something I think we not need to really about.
Yeah.
Original.
Okay. Any question there?
Maybe a remark. The extension actually bypasses the options, various options. You put many things into one whole thing,
Yeah.
which is great, and definitely. Right now, this appearance of toolbar is done via so-called persona. And Firefox changes frequently the API. That means we kind of decided to go away from the way from Firefox persona theming into something what you do in our own format. It might change. That's all what I want to say. And I learned, maybe I learned that it starts at 23 as well. Close, yeah. Like you have on the left hand bar and in the middle bar, and there are switches in the configuration to apply different colors. And I believe you can also change the background image of the left side, for instance, in the start.
Oh yeah, but we have tried that we still don't know which the way we will how to do that, because LibreOffice have .xcu file, which means it's a configuration file for LibreOffice, but we don't know where is the documentation for this file, and we just try to understand step by step. So yes, we want to make LTC more quick and more simple. So you just click and everything changes. But yeah, we will do it step by step.
Next release.
Next release maybe.
How to learn something. Anyway, it's open source, so anyone who would like to help.
I wouldn't hurry too much because it was a topic from someone who requested to change the color of the sidecar depending on the system.
Yeah.
So I figured out how it works, and that there is a switch, and the topic is still open, and you may change it to not use some configurable things. It was regarding the dark mode.
Yeah.
We wanted to have very dark LibreOffice. Actually, exactly.
We can we use dark mode with, for example, Kuga 10, also common Masked Rider superhero that I create is for dark 10, but yeah, we still should change the application background manually. So for the persona is dark, then we should only need to change the background to get dark mode for LibreOffice, and it's possible. And yeah, for old LibreOffice, they are Firefox Persona 10, but in 6.2 the feature is gone and changed to only 16 that include by default in LibreOffice. That one of motivation are so LibreOffice support to add some things, but with different way, and we use this different way to make OTC. Yes. Okay.
And do you have plans to, for example, bring this extension to inside the LibreOffice infrastructure for development?
We not sure, but if it happens, we will very happy. Just because we just need to read more documentation about LibreOffice, and after we understand it, maybe we can integrate the OTC to LibreOffice system. Yes. Okay.
Your dress is spectacular. Your dress is spectacular.
Yeah. Because it's special for me, so I use special dress.
Great, great.
Thank you. Okay, enough.
Italian reply.
It is something that resembles the argument, the topic. He's talking about the look of LibreOffice, the outside, and that's why he dressed that way. It reflects perfectly,
Thank you.
in harmony.
Still we have that? Yeah, I have 2 t-shirts for early questioner, maybe for you and you. I have special t-shirt for you. Oh, thank you. Please come.
Good to go.
Yeah. Yeah. I have special t-shirt. It's for Indonesian community. Yeah, this is for you.
Michael?
No, just 2 first.
Two first. The infrastructure there.
I tell you. Yeah.
Finally,
Why?